Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS conducted today examination in two shifts. One is in morning 9 a.m. That analysis already I have done, and this is 2 p.m. slot. So here I'm going to do the analysis of 2 p.m. slot. Okay. So if you have missed the morning slot analysis, then you can check the video here. So TCS 19th of August exam big change, and it is complete analysis here. Okay. And also subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon. Now, friends, in this particular video, we are going to solve the questions which was asked in today's examination. So you can also see there were some fill in the blanks questions were asked in today's exam. Okay, so few things which I wanted to tell you, friends, those who are going to write exam maybe like tomorrow or whenever the exam is scheduled. So there is no negative marking, no question was timer. So you will be getting, see, you can see here. So you have Dotin foundation section, advanced section, okay, and advanced section 2. Now, so friends, Dotin is you just have to select. So Dotin, you just have to select few images. So 10 images you need to select, and the timing will be almost 40 seconds. See, this data I have collected from the students. Now, foundation section, so if we'll talk about that, then you will be getting around 70 minutes. Okay, so there is you will be getting around 70 minutes, and as I mentioned here, so there is no question wise timer. So total 70 minutes will be given to you, and you will have to attempt numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. Okay, now, so note, this question is mandatory for you to attempt, as there is no negative marking. So please try to attempt all the question. So this question is mandatory for you to attempt. In addition, you cannot revisit the question. So once you mark the question and click on next, then you cannot revisit the question. Okay, so please take care not to navigate to the previous next question without attempting the question. Okay, now we also saw few fill in the blanks question like this. So like these questions were asked in the exam, so where you had to fill, I mean there'll be multiple choices will be there. Okay, and there'll be fill in the blanks where options won't be there, so you need to put the options. So you in many questions we saw that you had to fill in the blanks, and the level of the exam was bit tough. So 9 a.m. slot was 9 a.m. slot exam was bit easy, but if we'll talk about the 2 p.m. slot, then definitely the level of the questions were moderate. Okay, so here it was moderate, not easy. Anyway, so once we will solve few questions, we will get the confidence. Okay, now friends, if I have put any points or if any points is not correct, okay, so I request a student to please put in the comment box so that others who are going to write the examination will be benefited. Now, so let us start with the question number 1 here. So what will be the remainder when the square of LCM is divided by the square of HCF 51, 119 and 323? Now, so friends, LCM of 4, 16, 12 and 15. Okay, now, so the highest number here is, biggest number here is 15. So 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 will not be divisible, right? 45 will be also not divisible, 60. So 15. So what you have to do is you have to take the multiples of 15, like 15 1s are 15, 15 will be not be divisible by 4, 6 and 12. Then the next will be 30. Now 30 will not be divisible by 4, 6, 12 and 15. And then we will take 45. 45 will also not be divisible by any of that number. 60. Now 60 is divisible by all. Friends, always remember your LCM. Your LCM will be always divisible by the number for which you are calculating the LCM. Okay, so 4 15 times, 6 10 times, 12 5 times, and 15 4 times. So we have easily got the LCM. Okay, getting the LCM is very easy if you know the basic trick, if you know the basic technique. Okay, so like this, I have got the LCM here. Now, so a square of LCM, so definitely 60 square will be nothing but 3600. Now, HCF. So HCF also we will calculate easily. So we have 51, we have 119, and we have 323. Now, so 51 is 17 into 3. 119 is 17 into 7. So now we have a hint that 17 is common in all the numbers. So 323, if we'll try to divide it by 17, 17 1 ja 17, 12 minus 7 is 5, 3, 17 9 ja. So here it will be 17 into 19. Now, so what is the maximum value? Maximum common value. HCF means maximum common value. So maximum common value is nothing but 17. So HCF will become HCF will become 17. And a square of HCF. So a square of HCF means 17 square will be 289. Now they're asking, so what will be remainder when a square of LCM? So a square of LCM is 3600 will be divided by the square of HCF, 289. Okay. Now, so 1 time 289. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. And here if you'll see 3 minus 2 is 1, and then again. Okay, now, so if we will try to divide it by 3 times, I'm sorry, so 15 minus 8 is 7, so here it will become 2 minus 2 is 0. So 3 times, no, so 2 times only. So 2 9 ja 18, and 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 will be 17, and here it will be 5, right? So right, so 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 17, and 4 plus 1 5. So 10 minus 8 is 2, and 10 minus 7 is 3, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So 132 will be nothing but our remainder here. So option B will become the correct answer for this particular question. So calculating the LCM, calculating the HCF, and then finding out their square and then dividing. So that's what I was telling. So the shift 2. So 2 p.m. slot exam was little tricky, little difficult. Okay, but anyway, so let us try to solve. These are the question which will be coming for your next, whenever the TCS next examination is there. And also, if you have not followed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the videos daily basis. Okay, now, so daily 2-3 videos we will be doing. What will be the compound interest earned on an amount of? So here, if we'll talk about the amount, then it is nothing but 16,800. Okay, and then if we'll talk about the time, so time is 1 3 by 4 years. Okay, so 1 3 by 4 years, and then at the rate of rate is given. So rate is, okay, basically here 6.25%. I'm sorry, so there is a mistake in the question. So it is 6.25%. Okay, so rate is nothing but 6.25%. Okay, now, so we have to find out the compound interest. Okay, so friends, whenever you have options given in terms of fractions, then what you have to do? So before that, I will also open the calculator here, because you will be getting calculator in the TCS exam. Okay, now, so here you have the amount, you have the time, and you have the rate. Okay, now, so compound interest for 1 year, 1 3 by 4 years. So first we will do one thing. We will calculate compound interest for 1 year. Compound interest for 1 year we will calculate now. So compound interest for 1 year will be equal to simple interest. So for 1 year you calculate the compound interest or you calculate the simple interest, both is same. So let us calculate simple interest only. So 16,800 P, simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. So 16,800, and first we are calculating for 1 year. Time is 1 year, and a rate of interest is nothing but 6.25%. Okay, and divided by 100. So 20 and 20 cancelled, and now 168 into, you also use a calculator, okay, into 6.25 will be equal to 1050. So basically in 1 year we are getting the interest as 1050. Now, so whenever you are solving compound interest, the meaning of the compound interest is, so next year when you are going to invest, you need to invest with your principal and plus interest. Okay, so this is what is compound interest. Okay, now 0 5 8 and 16 plus 1 is 17. So now, so for 3 by 4 months which you are going to spend, that that you will be spending on 17,850. Again, calculate simple interest. So P, so 17,850. Okay, see, if it is a simple interest, then you would have calculated on 16,800 itself, but it is compound interest. So whatever interest you have got, add it to the principal. Okay, it is 17,850. Now time, so for 1 year already we have calculated. Now we are calculating for 3 by 4 months. So this is the easy process. Okay, 3 by 4. And if we'll talk about interest, interest is 6.25. And if we'll so P, this is P, this is my R, and this is my T divided by 100. Okay, now, so let us try to solve this. So here I could see 10 and 10 cancelled. So 1785 into, so let us use calculator. 1785 into 3 into 6.25, which is nothing but equal to 33, okay, 468.75, and divided by 40, and divided by 40, right, and just divide it by 40 here. So you will be getting 836 rupees, 836. 0.71. Okay, now, so you see, for the first year, my interest is 1050, and for the second year, it is 836.71. Okay, now, so this is 6881. So you can also write 1887. Okay, so your option B will become the correct answer. Friends, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So this is not the advanced aptitude. Okay, so this is the normal foundation section. So whatever questions we are solving it right now is from the foundation section. So here in foundation section, we will be having a numerical ability, we will be having verbal ability and reasoning ability. So we are solving the questions from the foundation section. And in as I said, so you'll be having dotin. So dotin, you will be having 10 images and you will be almost getting 40 seconds to solve. Okay, so here 70 or 75 minutes, I'm not very sure, so just check it out. Okay, then question number 3. So question number 3, before we solve, we will just solve one reasoning question so that you will feel little comfortable, because the questions are little tough. So if b is equals to 4, so what is b? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like this. Okay, now, so A position will be 1, B position will be 2, C position will be 3, D4, E5, F6, G7, and H8, 9, and J is 10, like this. Okay, now, so B is 4. That means what they have done, they have multiplied 2 with the B position. And then F. So F also they have multiplied by the 2. So every alphabets they are multiplying by 2. And now we have to find out the value for put. So T. So T20 we know. So the code for T20 is nothing but 20. U. TUV, right? So U will be nothing but 21. U will be nothing but 21. And P. So we also know EJOT. Okay, so if you have not attended our basic classes, you need to attend the basic. So E. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 21. So O is 15. P. Then it will be 16. That's all. Okay. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 to 4 plus 1 is 5 into 2. So into 2 is nothing but 2 7 ja 14 and 1. So 114, right? So because all these letters are getting multiplied by 2, right? So it's very clear, right? So OP. So O is 16 and T is 20 and U is 21. Now 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 1 5, 2 7 ja 14 and 114. So you had to mark your answer 114. That's all was your answer. Okay. Now friends, so let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is again tricky, and this is again fill in the blanks. So this was fill up the blanks, right? So this was fill up the blanks, and now this will be also fill up the blanks. Okay, and then you will be having one more question which is on you can say like not exactly on time and work. Okay, we will see what is that. So here one option is extra. So let us solve question number 3. A person distributed 70% of the money he had between Ram and Raj in the ratio, so in the ratio 5 is to 7. Now if you would have watched my video, okay, of crash course, then you will be definitely knowing that. Okay, so if any data is given in terms of ratio and if you have to write down in terms of value, then you can say, so Ram got 5x rupees and Raj got 7x rupees, right? So this is what I have told to everyone in the ratio and proportion question, right? Okay, so a person distributed 72% of the money. In that, Ram got 5x rupees and Raj got 7x rupees. Okay, now Ram and Raj deposited the amount received in a scheme offering 8% and 10%. So Ram invested this for 8% and Raj invested this for 10%. SI, simple interest. Okay, then you see, and the time is nothing but 10 years, and the time is nothing but 10 years. Okay, same time. Find the amount left with the person if the sum of the interest earned by Ram and Raj after 10 years is 6,600 rupees. Now see, so simple interest after 10 years. Okay, so simple interest after, see here, the sum of the interest. So simple interest after 10 years they have given. So simple interest after 10 years is 6,600 by both of them. Okay, now, so simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Formula you know, right? Okay, now, so this after 10 years, this total amount is given. That means by Raj and by Ram both. Now, so simple interest is 6,600 PRT. So P is 5x, R is 8, and time is 10 years divided by 100 plus. Okay, and then you can see here Raj. So 7x, and time is 10 years, and rate is again 10 and divided by 100. Okay. Now here 100 and 100 cancelled, and here 1010 cancel. 5 into 8 is 40, so 10 will get cancelled. 6600 will be equal to 4x plus 7x. So 11x is equals to 6,600 rupees. So 11 6 ja, so x is nothing but 600 rupees. Okay. Now, so 72% money was given to Ram and Raj. So it is nothing but total. I will use some other pen so that understanding will be clear. So total 12x was given, and 12x, x value is 600. So that means total 7200 rupees was given to Ram and Raj. Okay. So 72% was nothing but equal to 7200 rupees, right? Okay. So 1% is nothing but equal to 7200 by 72. So 1% is nothing but equal to 100 rupees. So 100% will be equal to 100 into 100, which is nothing but 10,000 rupees, which is nothing but 10,000 rupees. So basically, what they're asking, so they are asking, okay, we do not have to calculate 100% money. So 1% is equals to 100 rupees. Okay. Now, so what they're asking is, find the amount left with the person. So 72% he had given. So obviously 28% was remaining. So 72% he has given, that was nothing but equal to 7,200. So 1% will be equal to 100 rupees. So 28%, that means multiply 28 that side. It is nothing but 2,800 rupees. Okay. So that is what they're asking. So you can mark here 2,800 rupees, and that was nothing but your answer. Okay. So if you are giving the wrong answer, you will be getting one kind of warning that one wrong type answer, one type wrong answer or something like that. Okay. One type wrong answer, something like that you will be getting. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is again a lengthy question. Friends, all the questions were in the second shift. I did not find, or maybe the question which I have taken is not that easy. Okay. Again, I wanted to tell you, friends, but you have to practice this kind of question. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, because I really don't want you to miss any update. Okay. So each and everything you should get. Okay. So whatever information I am getting, I am passing it to you. Now, 5 men and 4 women can earn, okay, can earn 2,000. Okay. So in 9 days, they are able to earn 2,862 rupees. So in one day, they will be able to earn 2,862 and divided by 9. So 9 threes are 27 and 18 nines are 162. Okay. So I have one equation, 5 men plus 4 women. Okay. Is equals to 318. Okay. In one day, they are able to get that. Okay. So in one day, they are able to get 318 rupees. Now, and 9 men and 12 women. So 9 men and 12 women can earn in 8 days, they can earn 6,000 rupees. So in one day, they will be able to get. So what I will do for my simplification, I will write 6,000 is 30 into 200 divided by 8, because I know 25 8 will be 200. Okay. See, because I am comfortable with that. Now, so however you are comfortable, you do, no problem. Okay. So you can do it in any way. Is equals to 750. This is nothing but my equation 2. Now, so here it is 12 women and here it is 4 women. So I will multiply into 3 to the equation number 1. So this will become 15 men and 4 threes are 12 women will be equal to 3 threes are 9 and 18 threes are 54. Okay. And then 9 men plus 12 women will be equal to 750. Now, so let us try to subtract here. So this will get cancelled. 6 men will be equal to 4. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 2. So men will be equal to 34. Okay. So m value we have got as 34. Now, put this m value in any of the equation, you will be getting w is equals to 37. Okay. Now, clear. Now what they're asking, so in how many days 7 men and 9 women will be able to earn 11,991 rupees. Okay. Now, so 11,991 rupees. Now, so one man is able to earn 34 rupees. So 7 men will be able to earn 7 into 34. Now 9 women. One woman is able to earn. See this value you have to get it. This is just calculation. So 9 into 37. Now, if you will try to divide it, you will be getting 21 days. Okay. So 21 days. That means option B will become the correct answer. So 7 men and 9 women will be taking 21 days to earn 11,991 rupees. Okay, so these are the few questions which I have taken, friends, and you let me know what you guys wanted. And if you are happy with what we are doing, then please comment below that yes sir, we are getting benefited so from this session. Definitely, so this kind of things will give us motivation and we will be able to do more and more videos. So till then, take care. And at the end, I wanted to say, so if you have not subscribed, do subscribe and click on bell icon, and give your love and support, and we will be definitely working hard for you all. All the best for your upcoming exam. Till then, thank you.